Now that you've tried the got it problem on the previous page, let's take a look at example 2, which uses a different strategy for finding the surface area of triangular prisms. It says above there that we can add all the areas of the sides of the prism by using also what's called an orthogonal drawing. So that's basically taking your figure and breaking it down into a drawing of all the different faces that you see. So let's look at example 2 here. It asks us to find the surface area of that triangular prism. First off, notice that my triangular base is no longer an equilateral triangle. Those sides are all different lengths. So that means that the rectangular faces on the sides are going to be different as well. So let's start by finding the area of each triangular base. I know to find the area of a triangle I have to do 1/2 times base times height, and if I look at what sides make that right angle to create my base and my height, I would know that 15 and 8 are the measurements for my base and my height. So 1/2 times base times height is going to be 60 square meters. And I have 2 of those triangles, so I'm going to have 60 plus 60 so far to find my total surface area. Then I'm going to look at my rectangles, okay, and you can look at the 3D shape or you can look at the drawing where they break it down. But if you look at this, let's say we have this top side first, okay. If I look for my length and my width here, I can see that the length is 20 meters and the width is going to be 17 meters. So I'd have to do 17 times 20, which would give me 340. Then if you kind of break it down by another side, let's say you look at the bottom side, which is here, you can see that your length and your width is your 15 and your 20. So you'd multiply those to get 300 square meters as the area of that rectangle. And then lastly, you have the rectangle on the back side, okay, which would be over here. And you can see the length and the width of that would be 8, and this bottom part would be equivalent to this side, which would be 20. So 8 by 20, which would give you 160. So then you'll add those to the area of your triangles, and you would get a total of 920 square meters. Try the got it problem below to check your understanding.